Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Tempest Taylor, and today I did a very simple but glam makeup look. It's very easy to achieve and it's very long lasting for the summertime. So if you want to find out how to get this look, then keep on watching. To start off this makeup look today, I'm going to be using the Nivea Men's Post Shea Balm as my primer because I will be outside when I want to wear this makeup look, and this stuff lasts all day long. It will make your makeup last forever. Next, I'll be going in with my Fenty foundation in the shade 130. This foundation is not the right shade for me, but I never want to return it, and I'm just going to make it work. I'm just going to blend this in with my beauty blender. I wanted to wear this foundation because I'm planning on wearing this look outside and it's gonna be hot, but I want full coverage, full glam. And this foundation and primer make your makeup last forever. And this foundation is also really light, and that's what you want when you're gonna be outside and it's gonna be hot and you're gonna be sweating. Something that's not too heavy on the skin. And I know it's not the right shade for me, but that's okay. I'll make it work. For concealer, I'll be going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Fair Clair. And I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. I really like this concealer because it's really lightweight, and with such a full coverage foundation, you don't need anything too heavy. I'm pretty much just using a concealer to brighten my under eyes and my face, and also since this foundation is not the right color, I'm hoping that it will help correct that. And to set my makeup, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Also, setting your whole face with your beauty blender and your translucent powder will help your makeup last even longer because you're really pushing that powder into your skin and locking everything into place. To start off this eye look, I'll be going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Using my Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to be taking Kewpie and Poudre and mixing these two shades together, but taking mostly Kewpie. And I'm just going to blend this into my crease. I keep dipping back into those shades and applying them to my crease using windshield wiper motions until it's as blended as I would like and until I have the intensity that I want. Next, I'll be using my Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette, and I'll be taking the shade Maple on a Morphe M573 brush, and I'm just going to apply this shade below that first shade in my crease and taking the leftover down onto my eyelid. You really don't need too much of this shade. I am just using it to deepen up the crease a little more and act as a base for the shimmer shadow we will be putting over it. I'm putting translucent powder to clean up the edges and catch any fallout. Next, I'll be taking cider and rose quartz and mixing those two shades together. I'm just using a Morphe fluffy brush. It does not have a name, but honestly any brush would work. You're basically just applying that shimmer shade to your lid, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm just going to wipe away that fallout. And I'm taking that shade Pukey from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just smoking that out on my lower lash line. I'm using the brush that comes with the Urban Decay Naked palettes. I love using this side of the brush to smoke out my lower lash line. It is my favorite brush to use for it. I've added eyeliner, mascara, and lashes, and now I'm going to move on to contouring / bronzing my face using the Anastasia Rosewood bronzer and my little Benefit Hoola brush. My bronzer pretty much just acts as my bronzer and my contour shade. I love using the same color, and sometimes I think on my fair skin a contour shade can look a little too dark or a little too muddy for me. And now I'm just blending everything out using my Morphe M437 brush. This is just so I don't have any harsh lines and everything looks nice and natural and blended. Now I'm going to contour my nose using this Vintage Cosmetics Step 1 for the Money brush. How I contour my nose is pretty simple. I feel like there's not too much to it. I pretty much just draw 2 lines down the center of my nose, and I try to keep them pretty close together, and that's pretty much it. Contouring my Cupid's bow. And my bottom lip. Contouring around my lip just gives me the appearance of a bigger lip. Blending that contour out with this e.l.f. concealer brush. This is a clean brush with no product on it, and I just blend, blend, blend until all those harsh lines are blended out. Now I'll just be baking my contour with that Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder. For highlight, I'll be using MAC Oh Darling. I love this highlighter so much. It is so beautiful. It looks absolutely stunning in the sun. It is very blinding. It's perfect for that summer glow. Using a Morphe E36 brush, I am applying that highlight to the tip of my nose and the inner corner of my eyes. And applying that highlight to my brow bone using a Morphe flat shader brush. Next, I'll be taking my Benefit blush in Dallas. Now I'll be wiping away my bake using a Morphe M437 brush. I also gently sweep this brush all over my face just to blend all of the products together. Now I'm just going to spray my beauty blender with some Fix Plus and just tap it into my skin to melt all the powders together. This really helps set your face and just blend everything and give it a more skin-like natural finish. And now I'm just going to set my face with some MAC Fix Plus. And because we really want our makeup to last all night long, I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And now for the lips, which is pretty much the star of the show, I'll be using the Desi X Katy Dose of Colors collab in Hot Fire. And to line my lips, I'll be using the Kylie Lip Liner in Malibu. This is the final makeup look. I really like it. It's perfect for a night out, a concert, or whatever you want because it is not very heavy, it's not cakey, and the combination of the Nivea Men's Post Shea Balm, the Fenty Foundation, and the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray will have your makeup locked in all night long. It will not go anywhere, I promise you. And it's a very simple look. It's just a simple eye, bold lashes, and a dramatic lip. Very simple, but very glam. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!